In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Koala's sublimation puzzles. I'm going to be showing you how to sub on these. Let me give you some stats on these. So these are 120 piece puzzles. They are about 11.3 by 7.8 in dimensions. And it comes in a 10 piece set. It does come with instructions. And each one is individually wrapped, which is really nice. So if you want to see how well these sub, or if you just want to learn how to sub on sublimation puzzles, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about acting on a budget. I do sublimation and sewing videos, as well as Cricut videos here and there. If any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family. I do have a membership coming out. It is a membership focused on sublimation and sewing. It will be releasing December 18th. So there will be a link in the description box for you to sign up to receive an email when it launches. So excited. I did make a video kind of explaining what the membership is going to be about and how much the tiers are going to be. So if you want that information, I will also have that video linked in the cards above. So check that out. I'll also have the link in the description as well. And let's jump into this video. To try this out, we're gonna need our puzzles, some heat tape, some heat gloves, some sublimation paper. I'm gonna be using Koala sublimation paper. This is my first time trying this out today, so I'm really excited. And then you're gonna need some butcher paper and your heat press. So the puzzle says to press at 374 degrees for 50 seconds. So I have my heat press right now heating up. While that heats up, I'm going to prep my puzzle. Okay, so these puzzles come individually wrapped, which is really nice because if you're selling these or gifting these, then you can just put them back in the wrapping paper in the plastic once you are done. So we're gonna take this out. There's a cardboard in there with it, so you want to take it out with that cardboard. Put that plastic to the side to reuse, and then you want to take your design. I printed mine on 8.5 by 14. Make sure there's no dust on your paper. And then we're gonna flip this. You want to line it up where you're going to, you kind of want it. I'm putting this cardboard here to hold it. We're just going to take some heat tape and tape that down. You want to make sure you're taping this really good because this can slide around because the surface is very slippery. Once this is ready, we're just going to take this. I'm actually just going to get my butcher paper, putting here. Pin this down, and I think I'm actually just going to tape down my sublimation paper to my butcher paper just so that it's easier to transport and everything is just in place. And then I'm just going to fold this over. So we have butcher paper on the bottom, butcher paper on top. And now we're going to take this to our heat press. Our heat press is preheated. We're going to bring over our little butcher paper. Again, we have the logo of our sublimation paper facing up. We have the design facing the white part of the puzzle. We have butcher paper underneath and butcher paper on top. And we're going to press at 374 degrees for 50 seconds. Okay, we're going to open our heat press, and then we're going to just take some heat gloves, and it says to put it to the side and let it cool down completely before removing the sublimation paper. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to let it cool completely before removing the paper. Now that it has cooled down, we're going to remove our butcher paper, and we're going to start removing our sublimation paper. Oh, that looks great. Oh, that looks awesome. Yes. In the past, I've had an issue with puzzles where, like, I guess the ink kind of bleeds through, but this looks great. Like, the colors look really good. Wow. I love how this one turned out. I know right here it looks like it messed up, but it's not. That's just the like stove knob. It looks like that. And then we can take out the tape from the back of this cardboard because we're going to use this cardboard to package it up again. But you can see that my sublimation paper is faded and I got good ink release. This is my first time using this sublimation paper. I'm going to do a comparison video between this one and A-Sub. A-Sub and Koala are the same company, but I'm interested to see if the paper is different from one another. But look how cute that is. Now we're just going to take the plastic that it came in. And you can stick it back in there, or what you can also do is get like a little box like this, or you know, like a different box, and put in the puzzle, like break it up like a puzzle would come, and then put like a little picture right here, what the picture is supposed to look like. It turned out so cute. I love it. The colors look great. I don't have any of that runniness that I've gotten before, which is really nice. I absolutely love it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. It's a good size too. Like there's enough pieces to keep you entertained a little bit. And again, you can put this inside a box, like break up the puzzle pieces, put them inside a box and just put the picture on the outside. That'd be really cute as well. You can get one of those like cute boxes from Dollar Tree that they have now for Christmas and stuff. This would be a great Christmas gift, like a personalized Christmas gift. So I'll have these linked down below for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Again, sign up for the email list to find out and be the first to know when my membership releases. There will be a discount for the very first month of it. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.